Stand attention, stand at ease. Attention, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bharat Mata ki Jai. School, attention, get ready for the yoga. Yoga begins. School, attention, get ready for the prayer. Prayer begins.
असतो मा सत्कमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मामृतं गमया दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आंखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर की परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा सेवा से जन बना देना वतन के वास्ते जीना वतन के वास्ते मरना वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीरं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om, Om, Om.
School standards.
No real change in history can be achieved by discussions. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. A very good morning to one and all. I am Devyani and I would like to welcome you all to this morning assembly with my co-anchor Hanna Fatima. 125 years ago, on 23rd January, a child was born, became a freedom fighter, and contributed to India's freedom movement, which is remembered even today. He was a man of action who openly called upon the youth of the country to come together and fight for independence. He inspired millions of people with his ideas and teaching.
He is none other than Subhas Chandra Bose. Every year, the whole country celebrates this day to honor his contribution. Today, we the students of Class 8 are here with the special assembly program on the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Karthik to lead us with the pledge.
School attention. Get ready for the pledge. Pledge begins.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to
strive
be
to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give
I shall give
respect respect to my
respect to my parents,
teachers
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders,
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and to my people,
and to my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
India will be,
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, Karthik.
School standards.
On this special occasion of Netaji's birth anniversary, I would like to call Arba Hanin for the thought of the day from the chords of the great revolutionary.
Good morning. Today's thought: men, money, and materials cannot by themselves bring victory or freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds. Meaning, Netaji stated that only men, money, and material are not enough to achieve freedom. According to him, bravery is also as much important, and this only comes with the motive power of a person. I repeat the thought: men, money, and materials cannot by themselves bring victory or freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Arva, for such a motivational thought. I hope you all will remember this thought and try to act accordingly.
Updating ourselves every day should be a never-ending habit. Reading newspaper is must to update ourselves with the recent happenings. Now, I would like to call Fiona and Mira to update us with the latest happening around the world.
Good morning. Today's news is brought to you by myself, Fiona, and my friend Meera. First, some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the launch of Azadi Ke Amrit Mahotsav se Swarnim Bharat ki Aur. Myanmar national held in Mizoram with 2,500 kg of explosives. The Assam Rifles recovered the explosives and arrested the three men while carrying out an operation on Thursday night. Now, some international news. Iran, Russia, and China on Friday began a joint naval drill in the Indian Ocean aimed at boosting marine security, state media reported. Iran state TV said 11 of its vessels were joined by three Russian ships, including a destroyer, and two Chinese vessels. Iran's Revolutionary Guard will also participate with smaller ships and helicopters. Now I hand over to Meera for some state and sports news.
Now some state news. Kerala High Court banned gatherings of more than 50 people in the Kasaragod district for 1 week. The court issued the interim order on a plea challenging the revocation of Kasaragod district collector's order imposing restrictions in the wake of COVID-19. Kerala government imposes fresh restrictions to contain rising COVID cases. Only essential services allowed on next to Sundays. Sports news. Hardik Pandya was officially announced as the captain of the new Indian Premier League franchisee from Ahmedabad. The India all-rounder was drafted in for rupees 15 crore by the new franchisee on Friday, January 21. The 20-year-old Anisimova saved 2 match points in the third set at Margaret Court Arena ahead of the tiebreaker and entered the match with an ace. She hit 46 winners to Osaka's 21. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Fiona and Mira, for updating us.
An assembly without something special is always incomplete. To make us aware about the significance of this day, here is Reva, Kripa and Sudhinarayan for special program.
It is not allowed that we can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Reva Vijay of class 8B and my friends Kripa Alex and Surya Narayan are going to present today's special item on the topic Subhas Chandra Bose Jayanti. So who was Subhas Chandra Bose? Subhas Chandra Bose, affectionately called as Netaji, was one of the most prominent leaders of Indian freedom. Subhas Chandra Bose was born to a Bengali family on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack to Janaki Nath Bose, a barrister and Prabhavati Devi. In 1923, he was elected as the president of the All India Youth Congress as well as the secretary of Bengal State Congress. In 1925, Bose was arrested and sent to prison in Mandal. After 2 years, Bose was released and was appointed as the General Secretary of the Congress Party and worked closely with Nehru for independence. During the mid-1930s, Bose traveled in Europe, visiting Indian students and European politicians, including Mussolini. He stood for Swaraj, self-government, as well as using force against the British. But this, however, meant a confrontation with Gandhi, which also created a rift between him and Nehru.
On the outbreak of World War II, Subhash Chandra Bose advocated a campaign of mass civil disobedience to protest against Lord Lincoln's decision to declare war on Indians' behalf. Without consulting Congress leadership, Bose organized mass protests in Calcutta, calling Holwell Movement, which then stood as a corner of Dalhousie Square. To be removed, Bose was thrown into jail, but was released following a 7-day hunger strike. Bose's house in Calcutta was kept under surveillance by the CID, with 2 court cases pending. He felt the British would not let him leave the country before the end of the war. Subhash Chandra Bose planned an escape with the help of his nephew Sir K. Bose in a car. Thus, as a Pathan, Subhash Chandra Bose escaped to Germany via Afghanistan and Soviet Union. In Germany, he founded the Indian Legion consisting of 3,000 soldiers and admirer of Russia. Bose was devastated when Hitler's tanks rolled across the Soviet border. So, February 1943, Bose turned back to their legionnaires and slipped secretly away abroad submarine bound for Japan, traveling on board Germany's submarine U-180 around the Cape of Good Hope. He reached Imperial Japan via Japanese submarine 129. This was the only civilian transfer before the 2 submarines of different navies in the World War II.
In 1943, Bose took control of the Indian National Army (INA) in Southeast Asia. At its height, the INA consisted of some 85,000 regular troops, including a separate women's unit headed by Captain Lakshmi Swaminathan. The INA, along with the Japanese, fought in key battles against the British Army of India. At a rally of Indians in Burma on July 4, 1944, Bose said, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom." The INA and the Japanese took possession of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in 1942, and a year later, The provisional government of the INA was established in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was the Battle of Kohima and Imphal. The Japanese could no longer find their armies and eventually surrendered. The INA surrendered to the British as well. Subhas Chandra Bose died in a plane crash in Taipei, Taiwan, on 18th August 1945 while en route to Tokyo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Reva, Kripa, and Suryanarayan for updating our knowledge.
A new word increases our vocabulary. So, I would like to call Tejal Lewis and Aslam Siri to add a new word to our vocabulary.
Good morning. Today's new word, prerogative. Spelling Prerogative, meaning a special right that somebody or something has.
Sentence. I am a woman. I have the prerogative to change my mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejal and Aslam, for expanding our knowledge.
My dear friends, let's learn one of the greatest lessons from Netaji that when we need to show our strength, we should take strict actions and deal with things with a firm hand. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
School, attention! Get ready for the national anthem. National anthem begins.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
School disperses.